Welcome to CAD Concept. Today we'll explore 5 important and most useful list routines. List routines generally automate your most common tasks in AutoCAD. That save you a lot of time and effort. We will explore with real world example. So without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1. Total length. These multiple lines we have. P-line, circle, arc. We will find out total length. Let this TLN. Select this arc, enter. Select this P-line, enter. Select this one also and select this one also. Same as it is circle also. And I want to take it out entirely. Just select all, enter one time and click here. This way you can find out total length for entire line, P-line, arc, circle in just one time. You can find these list routine in the description. Number 2. Area in square feet. This area in square meter we have already. We will take it out directly in square feet. Okay. Square meter to square feet. Let this M to F. Click over the square meter area and click here. Same this one also and click here. See, if you go by calculation, manually this will take a lot of time and you have to input one by one. But this way directly you can convert in square meter to square feet in just one time. Number 3. P-line area. This multiple P-line we have. We will find out area in square feet and in square meter, both in text format. Okay. Let this AMF. Select your P-line, click here. This one also select your P-line and click here. You are getting in square meter and in square feet, both in one time. This one also click here and let this one also click here. So this is the perfect way to find out area in square meter and in square feet, both in one time. Number 4. Text case. We have already this feature in AutoCAD default, but there are repeated input. We will uppercase, lowercase directly our text here. Okay. Let this ULT and select your text. If you have lowercase, it will come uppercase, lowercase to uppercase, or if you have uppercase, then it will go into lowercase. Over the screen directly you can switch uppercase to lowercase and same as this, lower to upper. I want entirely. Just select all, enter. So this is the perfect way to quickly change your text case in just one time. Number 5. Intersection count. This multiple straight line we have. I want to count straight line with intersection. Okay. Let this INM and input your starting number and same as this step increment. First point and second point. As much as intersections you have, it will count each line and it will place your entire text. Something like this. This way you can count each line also, which one crossing. Okay. Now if you want to change your starting number and your step increment, you can change here also. You can provide 4, 5, 6, whatever your starting number and step increment 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and go like this. Same here also and same here also. As you see here, this way you can place your intersection count for entire line in just one time. I hope you got this video helpful. You can find these list routine in the description. If you have any custom command and you wish to explore, just leave your comment below. Okay. Must explore 200 plus advanced automation tasks. This book will explain with facts and figure with Lisp and VLX routines. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. I hope you got this video helpful. Must like, share and subscribe.